Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism hereby wishes to inform our visitors as well as the members of the public that we are currently engaged in the upgrade and facelift of 3 of our entrance gates to the Etosha National Park. Those gates are Von Lindequist, Anderson, as well as King Nahale Yapingana gates. The gates will receive a full facelift to enhance our visitors' experience. We want to call upon those that are going to be visiting to accord the contractors their full support during this time, but also to remind that there will be disruptions or possible disruptions during the construction time because of the demolishing of the current structures. In addition to the gates, the ministry is also engaged in the upgrading of sanitation stations to comfort stops, which will cater for toilets, picnic areas, information display, as well as viewpoints. These upgrades are done to enhance the experience of our visitors into the Etosha National Park, also considering the fact that there has been some concerns regarding ablution facilities in the park. We believe that this will address those concerns. In addition to the construction in the Etosha National Park, we are also engaged in the similar project in the Hardap National Park, where we are going to do a construction or facelift of the entrance gates to that national park, but also refurbish and renovate the existing ablution facilities. These upgrades are actually made possible through the financing by NAMPAX 5, which is a project implemented by the Ministry of Environment, Forestry and Tourism, co-financed by the Federal Republic of Germany through the KfW Development Bank.